y'all, welcome back to another YouTube video. If you are new here, welcome. Hit the like button and join the fam. So today we are talking about Black Girl Vitamins. They have been all over the social media platforms. So I am so honored that I was picked to receive their Black Girl Vitamins. I didn't just receive one, but I received 3 products. The first product that was sent to me is the Collagen. Now, you've probably been seeing this all over the social media sites. This is a close-up on it. Okay, so collagen is great for bones. It's great for skin. It's great for your nails. If you're having like knee pain, arthritis, any type of pain, collagen is great for your bones. So if you're in your 30s, 40s, 50s, and 60s, you better start taking this. The great thing about it, you can use this in your smoothies. You can use this in your coffee, your tea. You can also sprinkle it on your food. So this is what it looked like. And as you can see, I've been getting down taking this. I feel so much better, and I'm not even boosting. I had a little knee pain because I had hit my knee, and Lord and behold, my knee pain have went away. Now, doctors ain't gonna tell you everything, okay? If I were you, I would grab me some Black Girl Vitamin Collagen. And I'm a coffee drinker in the morning, so what I do, I take a scoop of this, just like this, and I put this in my coffee. Read up on your collagen. There's a lot of great benefits in taking collagen. Like I said, your doctor ain't gonna tell you everything. They want you to keep running back and forth to them. Like I said, I had knee pain. My knee pain is gone, okay? Back pain. Any type of thing dealing with your bones, collagen is great. It's a great benefit for you to take, okay? So this is what it looked like. As you can see, I'm running low soon. And my day is not complete if I don't take my collagen, okay? You can also use my code and grab you some and thank me later. My code would be FAVE10. When you check out, use FAVE10, get you 15% off, okay? I love this so much. Oh my God, I gotta have this. It just makes me feel so much better. Another thing, like I said, it's good for your skin. My skin have been glowing. Look, my skin's been glowing, and it's great because it helps with wrinkles too. So if you want to be looking like a wrinkled person, you know, when we get older, our faces do develop wrinkles. This will help you. I am so serious about it. Second item is, this is hair, skin, and nails vitamins gummy. Is really good. Great for you. It makes your nails stronger. It makes your hair grow. Great benefits. And it has all the vitamins, all the great health benefits in one bottle, okay? So I also take this as well. My next one is the D3 vitamins. Now these are great as well if you're feeling sluggish, tired. This is another great benefit for you as well, okay? So I love taking my D3 vitamins. And as for colored women, we don't get out in the sun as much in the winter, so that's why you need to check with your doctor and check out your levels. If your levels are low, just ask your doctor, can I take D3 vitamins? I'm quite sure he'll say, sure. Thank me later for the D3 vitamins. I've been feeling more energetic when I take my D3 vitamins. Okay, now, one more thing. The collagen has no smell. And the collagen has no smell, and that's the best thing I like about the collagen powder. There's no smell to it. It's nothing. Oh my God. All right, guys, thank y'all so much for watching this video. Stay healthy, stay blessed, stay amazing, and grab your Black Girl Vitamins, okay? You will never go wrong with great healthy benefits that are keeping you more healthy, more vibrant, because as we age, we need great benefits that's going to help us stay healthy, vibrant, okay? We can't stay beautiful for long, but this will help us. Period. I love you all so much. I will see you on the next one. Use my code FAVE10. I hope this video was something that you enjoyed. I hope you learned something from it. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you in my next video. Peace and blessings. Bye.
Wait for house and mommy's vlogs. bones.